This is your boy, Cincinnati Clad King. I'm on my way to Bob Evans to pick up my first order of the day. It is a Tuesday, 7:30 in the morning. My schedule is from 7:30 to 1 o'clock. And once again, we're going to see how much we can make from that time period. And I'm going to take you along for the ride. Now, I did have another order. It was a McDonald's order. It was $7 and something, but it was 24 total miles. So those are the kind of orders that I'm going to refuse, because 24 miles total to the restaurant and then to the customer house, that's just too much. And I didn't want to drive that far for that little money. And I'm not too sure if $10 would want me to drive that far. It'd take you about 35-40 minutes to complete that whole job, if not longer. So here we go, on my way to Bob Evans, and I'll get back with you guys when I pick it up and get another order. I have the customer's order from Bob Evans, and now I'm on my way to their house. I have another order. We just dropped that one off. We're still in the apartment complex where I just dropped off that Bob Evans order. I have another one for Bob Evans. This one's for $5.41, and total miles is 4.2 miles. So I'm going right back to Bob Evans, which is only 2 miles away, and I guess the customer's house is going to be 2 miles away from Bob Evans. Let's get started. That was a disaster. Went into Bob Evans. They had no record of the order I was supposed to pick up. Had to contact customer service. Customer service called Bob Evans. They ended up canceling the order. They gave me credit. Supposedly they gave me credit for still showing up to the restaurant and stuff. So now I have another order for another Bob Evans across town, on my way there. All right, I'll keep you informed. Like I stated earlier, on my way to Bob Evans across town. When I say across town, it's 7 miles away. Let's talk about that order again. I went into Bob Evans, told them I was here to pick up an order for Heather. They looked on their system. They said they didn't have an order for Heather. I must be at the wrong Bob Evans. I double checked. I said, is this Bob Evans store number 194? They said yes. I said, well, I'm at the right Bob Evans. They didn't have that order in their system. I called driver support for DoorDash. I chatted with a young lady. She ended up calling Bob Evans while I was there, and they didn't have the order, so there's nothing she can even do at that point. So she was calling the customer to cancel the order and give me credit for showing up at the restaurant. So I haven't checked yet to see if I've received credit or not. Hopefully I did. At least half credit for being there. I didn't have to drive to the customer's home. But that was going to be a short delivery, so I really should get credit for the whole order. But I'm on my way to my third Bob Evans for this morning. All right, guys, I'll keep you informed. Order was ready. Now I'm on my way to the customer's home. I like it when they like that. I drove here. Food's ready now. Now I can roll. All right, I just dropped that order off. I'm gonna swipe it, complete. We got $7.83 for that order. If they gave me credit, we'll find out in a minute for the order before that. And it don't look like they did yet. So right now I only have credit for 2 deliveries. All right, I'll get back with you when we get our next job. Said that I just got a job for Chick-fil-A, which is only like 10 seconds later. Total distance is 10.9 miles, and we're going to get $6.91 for this particular job. All right, we're at Chick-fil-A, and we're going to go ahead and pick something up. Pick the customer order up. All right, I have another order for Chick-fil-A. I'm going to accept that. It's going to be for $7.39. Just completed that customer order. Now I'm on my way to the gas station. I need a little gas, and I need to put air in one of my tires. All gassed up. Got air in my tires. All of that took 10 minutes, plus I got a soft drink. And no job yet. It's about 10 something, so it's between dinner and lunchtime, but hopefully I'll get a job soon. We'll keep you guys informed. All right, 10 minutes after I said I would keep you guys informed, I have a Chick-fil-A order. So we're going right back to Chick-fil-A. It seemed like today only Bob Evans and Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A was dropped off, getting confused with all these Chick-fil-A's. Dropped it off at a bank for a lady named Abby. Now we're at $34.80 and we're waiting on our next delivery. I think I'm gonna call it a day. I worked for 3 hours and I just told you what I made. So let's call it a day. I'm gonna go home and maybe we'll come out again tomorrow or we'll come out later on.